Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Today I am talking and explaining the view controller lifecycle. The view controller lifecycle is a sequence of methods that are called by the system at different stages of a view controller lifetime. This method allow you to perform setup, cleanup and other tasks at appropriate times. There are many types of VC lifecycle methods. Initialization, view did load, view will appear, view did appear, view will disappear, view did disappear, view did layout view, view will transitions, view did transitions and deinitialization. So we will explain step by step. First, initialization. This method is called when a view controller is initialized from a nib file. Create an instance of view controller from the nib file, assuming you have a custom view XIV file that defines the layout for custom view controller. Next is view did load. This method is called when the view controller view has been loaded from the nib file and created programmatically, and when the view controller view has been loaded into memory. It is used for additional setup after the view has been loaded. In this method, you can perform tasks such as setting up initial data, configure UI elements, and perform any setup that need to happen once that view has been loaded. View will appear. This method is called before the view controller's view is about to become visible. This is often used to tasks such as updating the UI, refreshing data before the view is visible. Some common use cases are like data refresh. If you want to refresh and reload data every time the view is about to appear. UI view updates, making any last minute adjustment to the UI and updating UI components based on some conditions. And view configuration, perform task reload to configure the view that need to happen just before it's shown. Remember that view will appear is called every time the view is about to become visible. So it is good place to put code that you want to execute each time the user navigate to the view, such as updating data and ensuring the UI is the correct state. View did appear. This method is called after the view controller view has been become visible. This is good place for starting animation and any task that require the view to be visible. In this method, you can perform tasks that should happen every time the view become visible, such as starting animations. View will disappear. This method is called before the view controller view is about to disappear. This is good place for tasks like saving data or stopping animations. View did disappear. This method is called before the view controller view is about to disappear. It's often used to clean up tasks and resetting the state of view controller. View did layout view. This method is called after the view controller view has been laid out. View will transition. This method is called before the view controller view is about to transition to a new size. View did transition. This method is called after the view controller view has transitioned to a view new size. Deinitialization. This method is called when the view controller is being deallocated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.